Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Ford Fusion. Ford has unveiled the 2025 Fusion, bringing back this popular midsize sedan with a modern design, advanced features, and eco-friendly engine options. Exterior, sporty and sleek. Dynamic design. A coupe-like shape with smooth body lines gives it a sporty look. Modern lighting, LED headlights, and a rear light bar add a futuristic feel. Improved aerodynamics. Redesigned curves help reduce air resistance and boost efficiency. Interior, comfortable and high-tech. Spacious and luxurious. Plenty of legroom, soft materials, and leather-trimmed seats make it comfortable for any trip. Smart features. A 13.2-inch touchscreen with Ford's SYNC4 system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Upscale touches. Ambient lighting and premium finishes enhance the cabin's look and feel. Performance. Options for every driver. Gas engine. A 2.0L EcoBoost engine with 250 horsepower offers strong performance. Hybrid. Combines a gas engine with an electric motor for up to 45 mpg. Plug-in hybrid. Runs over 40 miles on electricity alone. Perfect for eco-conscious drivers. Technology. Advanced and convenient. Blue Cruise. Hands-free driving on highways for added convenience. Digital displays. A 12.4-inch digital dashboard shows key driving information. Driver assistance. Includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. Safety. Confidence on every drive. 360-degree camera. Helps with parking and navigating tight spaces. Blind spot alerts. Warns you of vehicles in your blind spots. Automatic emergency braking. Quickly reacts to avoid collisions. Eco-friendly features. Sustainable materials. The cabin uses recycled and renewable materials. Efficient engines. Hybrid and plug-in models reduce emissions for a greener future. Pricing and availability. Starting price. From $28,000 for the base model, $33,000 for hybrids, and $40,000 for the plug-in hybrid. Release date. Expected to hit dealerships by late 2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Fusion blends style, efficiency, and technology into one versatile sedan. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient commuter, a tech-savvy ride, or a stylish family car, the Fusion delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.